How can I link my PUBG mobile account to my Xbox account?
Hello there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic that's been on your minds: how to link your PUBG mobile account to your Xbox account. Follow this step-by-step guide to get this done in no time.
Understanding the basics.
Before we dive into the linking process, it's vital to understand that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, PUBG mobile accounts and Xbox accounts can't directly be linked. This is due to the different platforms and servers they operate on. But don't worry, you can still use the same login method if your accounts on both platforms are linked to the same social media account, like Facebook or Twitter.
How to link PUBG mobile account to a social media account.
Let's start with linking your PUBG mobile account to a social media account. 1. Open your PUBG mobile application on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. 3. Under the account settings, find and tap on the Linked section. 4. Choose the social media platform, for instance, Facebook or Twitter, to which you want to link your PUBG mobile account. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process.
How to link Xbox account to the same social media account.
Next, we need to link your Xbox account to the same social media account. 1. On your Xbox console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. 2. Select Sign In, and then select your account. 3. Under the account settings, look for the Linked Social Accounts section. 4. Choose the same social media platform that you linked with your PUBG mobile account. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. And there you have it. Now you have both your PUBG mobile and Xbox accounts linked to the same social media account. Remember, while this doesn't merge the accounts in the traditional sense, it allows for the ease of access to both platforms with a single social media account. If there have been changes to the process after 2021, we recommend checking the official PUBG and Xbox support pages for the most up-to-date information. Happy gaming, everyone!